How to fix sorry you have been blocked error from any website. So if you're trying to log into anything, or if you're trying to do something on your website, and if it says that sorry you've been blocked error, then you can simply open up your browser, and once you're here, sign into your Chrome account. And once you've already signed in, you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and simply click on that three dots icon. And from here, you can go for extensions. Click on extensions, and then you can click on manage extensions, and under manage extensions you can take a look at all of your extensions. So make sure they are all up to date, and if you spot any extensions causing trouble, then just remove them from this kind of menu. Simply click on remove and then remove your extension. And once you've done that, you can also clear some of your browsing data. So what you can do is simply again go for the three dots, and then here you will have history option, or you will have clear browsing data. Click on clear browsing data and it will directly take it to your browsing data. And from here you can choose browsing history, and then download history, cookies another side, and then cache. So you can click here and then click on all time and click on clear data. And once you've cleared, now your problem might be fixed. And make sure that you're running on the latest version of the Chrome browser, and make sure to update your Chrome. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed, which is sorry you have been blocked error on any website. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.